July's challenge starts now. July is such a beautiful month. Summer is in full effect. It's pool season, it's festival season, it's barbecue season. Let's be real, we don't want to spend too much of our free time working out, right? That's okay, let's enjoy summer. So this month's challenge is gonna be short but super effective. We'll be doing daily workouts that are 10 minutes or less, but these routines are extremely crucial for everyday life. I went on my social media analytics and I checked which are the videos that helped millions and millions of people. And these are all exercises to help strengthen the little weaknesses that we have that are preventing us from completing activities of daily living. Important things that we do in everyday life. So all we're doing this month are functional exercises to strengthen your joints and muscles to help you function better in everyday life. I have routines to help you build healthy hips, healthy knees, stronger shoulders and rotator cuffs to help you improve your balance and stability, to build stronger feet and ankles, and of course, healthier hands and wrists. These are 6 hyper-specific routines to help you recalibrate your body. And I'll be honest, these are exercises that you should definitely keep not just for the month of July, but for the rest of your life. I keep them in my back pocket and I do them too. As mentioned, these are short routines, but I figured you want to enjoy your summer, so I'm keeping it short and sweet. But if you do want to combine this with other workout plans on my site, you definitely can. I suggest combining it with my cardio course available on my site if you're a member. And of course, this pairs well if you're doing sports, swimming this summer, going for long walks and hikes. You can do it anywhere. All you need is a chair, water bottles, and a towel. Start today, go to justinagustin.com, download the printable or digital schedule that comes with it, and you're good to go. Happy workout, happy 1st of July. You got this.